How to block email senders in Yahoo Mail. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. If you want to block email senders, you're not able to do that in the Yahoo Mail app itself. However, there are still some things you can do in the app. Once you have opened the app, you want to tap on the sender that you want to block. Then you want to tap on the three dots. Now tap on Spam. Once you mark this email as spam, this is going to update the Yahoo Mail filters, and the next time you receive any email from this sender, it will be directly sent to spam, and that's going to keep your inbox clean. Now, in order to block email senders from a web browser, you want to open up any web browser you want. Then head over to mail.yahoo.com and make sure to log into your account. Then you want to open the email from the sender that you want to block. Tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen, and from here tap on the unsubscribe option. Once you tap on this option, you have successfully blocked the email senders in Yahoo Mail, and that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.